Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It is Saturday afternoon and I'm out here cleaning the spider webs. God knows why this time we have so many spider webs, especially around this area. I do have the pest control guy. He comes and does it outside, inside the house. So inside the house it's fine, I don't have any problem. But outside, man, God knows how many times during the day I come out and just clean them because I don't like to see them at all. But जैसे ही मैं अंदर जाती हूँ, next time मैं जब भी बाहर आऊँ ना कहीं तो दिखने को मिल ही जाता है. And especially they are so clear, right? Sometimes you can't even see them. तो perfect वो angle जब मिलता है तभी पता चलता है कि हाँ यहाँ पे spider web है करके. So I was just cleaning that, but we need to hurry up because I need to go. I still haven't taken a shower, so I need to go take a shower and get ready because me and my husband are going to local Italian restaurant because they make really good focaccia bread. And the reason we need to go and get that is because we are celebrating something. I'm gonna tell you about that in my next video, that what we are celebrating, but I need to hurry up and get that focaccia bread because they are open only certain time of the day. And before I go there, actually I need to work on my DIY project, and why am I doing that DIY project also will be mentioned in my next video. तो काफ़ी सारे changes हो रहे हैं, काफ़ी सारा अभी कुछ हो रहा है, and I can't wait to share with you guys all. But also I'm making today fettuccine alfredo. Now if you have gone to Olive Garden and if you have tried that, you guys know that how good that sauce is. So मैं बस वही रेसिपी copycat आज बना रही हूँ. Actually मैंने last week बनाया था because see, when I'm sharing this kind of recipe with you all now, I want to make sure that I give you perfect measurement. तो बस वो measurement मुझे perfect चाहिए था, तो finally I got it. I'm gonna share that recipe with you guys. तो इसीलिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं focaccia bread लेने के लिए क्योंकि उनका bread बहुत अच्छा आता है. So that's what I'm gonna make, but let me hurry up first. I'm gonna go and work on my DIY project. I'm gonna show you that what that is, and then after that take a shower, get ready, get the bread, and then we'll start on the recipe. So I bought this cute small table from Ross, and since it is small in a size, you can use it many different way. You can use it as a plant holder. If not, just keep it in one corner of your kitchen. Add some coffee mugs, candles, some small plants on top of that. But I'm gonna decorate this with this stencil, and this stencil I bought it from Michael, and the paint and the brush I bought it from Dollar Tree. And I finished this project, but I do need to seal this, so I need to buy the sealer and just make sure that the paint doesn't come off. But the reason I'm doing this is because I want to use this table for the Ganesh Murti that I have. I'm gonna put it on top of this, so that's the reason I bought this table. I really like it because it's a small in a size. It's not wide. It is a wide enough, but it's height wise it is a small, so it's a perfect for where I want to put it. So the hardest part for this was when I was peeling this off, because I put the tape around it just to make sure it doesn't move. But that was the hardest part. But other than that, it came out perfect. And here I do want to add some color in it. So I just add blue color because blue color goes in my house. But of course, you can add as many color as you want. But I do want to keep it simple. So that's the reason I just use the white color here. And I'm sorry guys, I know this video is not that long, but I do want to keep the recipe start off this video because as you know, I don't like to add fluff up in my videos just to get the longer videos, and time is valuable, right? When you come to my channel to see some recipe, I do want to make sure that I deliver what I said. So for that reason, I'm keeping this video short, but yes, this DIY was so special for me, so I do want to share that. And as I mentioned, many things are happening, so definitely I'm gonna share that also with you all. So to make Alfredo sauce, we need heavy cream, butter, garlic powder, Parmesan Reggiano, and the cream cheese. So on this other side, I do have the pasta boiling and I'm using the fettuccine pasta. When you boil the pasta, you do want to add some oil as well as the salt so that way it will not stick. And now we're gonna make this sauce. So here I'm taking 2 cup heavy cream, and this sauce, it is so easy to make, but you will be amazed with the result. Next, I'm adding half a cup butter. This is unsalted butter. And next, I will add 2 tablespoons cream cheese. This is plain cream cheese. When you make this sauce, you do want to make sure the temperature is from low to medium. And once you add the cream cheese, just go ahead and whisk it. Make sure everything is well combined. And just wait until one boil. And even if you haven't tried Olive Garden pasta, but you do like the white sauce, then I would definitely say give this recipe a try. Because within 10-15 minutes with the 5 ingredients, you can make this sauce just like restaurant style. And here I'm adding 1 cup fresh Parmesan cheese. Now I add only 1 cup. If you want, you can add more. And next add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. I did not add any salt because all the cheese has a salt in it. But try it. If you need more, you can always add it. And that's it. Our pasta sauce is ready. So just add the pasta in the sauce. Mix everything very well. I garnish that with the basil as well as the red crushed pepper. Do have the garlic bread as well as the focaccia bread on side. The garlic bread, I'm using the Pepperidge Farm one, so it is the frozen one. And that's it. Our dinner is ready. So definitely guys, I would say try this recipe. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.